Hi, I'm Janie Byland with the Beautification Committee for Key Colony Beach. This is kind of a special day for us. We have a big workday project going on here where we're cleaning up an old Areca hedge that hasn't been touched for many, many years. And actually, Irma didn't touch it either. It's one of the few things that made it through Irma. So walk this way with me and you'll see the volunteers, both Pickleball and Key Colony Beach Beautification, as well as Key Colony Public Works, are helping us clean up this hedge. Come walking with me and you'll see what they've done, and then we'll pass up the tractor and we'll see what they're working on now.
Hi, my name's Rick Floria.
Rick, thank you for helping us. And do you play pickleball?
As often as I can.
All right, so we have some pickleball people here.
Pam.
Pam, what's your last name?
Kosh.
Pam, just wanted to ask you, how are you involved in this group?
Well, we play pickleball, and we very much appreciate all the work KCB has done for our new courts, and we really just want to give back and make it nice and pretty.
That's a really good reason. Thank you so much, Pam. Why are you here today?
Because I play pickleball here and enjoy it and just giving back to the community.
That's a great reason. Thank you for being here. Tell us a little bit about this community effort, Cameron.
Well, I will say that Beautification identified this hedge as something that needed a lot of work after Hurricane Irma, and Public Works hasn't had time to do it. So I led the charge and reached out to the community, the pickleball group, and look at who volunteered. It's a wonderful showing from many volunteers in our community and everybody working together.
And everybody's having fun.
Yes, absolutely.
All right,
so
look at all this.
We are happy to be here, and thank you to Janie for leading the Beautification Committee and everything that you do for our city.
Thank you, Cameron. Get back to work. Well, I'm here now with Jack from Public Works, and Jack is going to clean up the big mess that we're making, and we're happy to have him because it looks like they're making great progress here. Jack, what's your last name?
Garcia.
Do you want to tell us a little bit about how you like working for Key Colony Beach?
I love it. I love that we have something new every day to do. Everybody's super friendly, very appreciative of having this job.
This is Esteban. What's your last name, Esteban?
Carrera.
Esteban is a big help to us. We see him everywhere here in the community, working. How do you like working for the Public Works?
I like it. Everybody, everything plays good. The boss is pretty good.
I'm David McKeon. I'm really glad to be here. I like to do these cleanups for the community and get involved with a whole bunch of great people. In order to celebrate the Beautification Committee, we're going to have our annual free hot dogs at the Tiki Hut, February 23rd, starting at 2 p.m. We'll have DJ, free hot dogs, beer and wine, chili, sodas, water, and anything else anybody wants to bring. But it's a great time. We do it every year about late February, early March. And this year we expect to get about 300 turnout, so you all come.
Yes, be looking for that. It'll be advertised in the B line, and we'll have posters around town. So just another effort. And by the way, this is paid for by private donor. So we don't take any of our donations or city money to have a party like this. We have a private donor that likes what we're doing here. So y'all come down. I think it's February 23rd, isn't it?
February 23rd,
yes.
Saturday.
I'm back again, but this time I'm at the pickleball courts. There are a lot of people playing here. They'll be working too, I hope, a little bit later, along with everybody else. This is a Beautification Committee project, but pickleball has come right along and is helping us because the city has helped them so much. So I'm going to sign off now. I've got a lot of work to do, and these people are too busy for me to interview, the ones that are behind me. So thank you for tuning in, and hope to see you soon.